How about this one?
You like bells?
I do like Belle.
You get 2 bells if you get a bell.
Oh, I only need one, honey.
You can get 2 if you have 2.
Oh, you didn't get to see the good one. No, this one here. It's all healed up now.
Cougar? Cougar bite?
No. That arm over the limb. I have the chainsaw on this end.
Which one do you want?
I would like, I like Snow White.
Emma, can I have another baby?
No.
Don't you want a little sister to play with?
No.
How about a puppy?
No. I already have 2 puppies.
Right?
Those are
Thank
all
you
good
for the
answers.
Snow White.
You get 2?
You thinking that? Oh, I get 2. Can I have one on this end?
No. And Grandma got 2 on puppies.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm so glad. Hey, do you want to open these other presents up?
Where?
There's 2 more.
Sure, but not right now.
Okay.
You gonna give those away?